This is an emergency XRP update. I don't do these on the fly videos often, but stuff has just been insane. Right now, everybody is freaking out because XRP has gone up like crazy. We went up almost 30 cents in the last day. And this isn't just something that is unexpected. We've been calling this for literally months on the Instagram. And actually, literally 2 days ago, if you're a part of the automation program, which if you're not, by the way, DM us crypto on Instagram. We automate all of our plays to your account. We took this play on XRP at $1, literally at the very bottom, and automated this play to thousands of people's accounts. And yeah, we absolutely printed. We're up to almost $1.30 now, but this is the game plan. Okay, I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys exactly what I'm thinking because right now we have momentum and we have not had this in a very long time. Here's what I'm thinking. On XRP right now, we have two levels that interest me, 130 and 170. 130 has been a major, resistance for us for the last 6 months. We've gone up. If you go check the charts, we reject, we go back down to $1. We go up, we reject, we go back down to $1. It happens every single time. And what I'm thinking right now is, honestly, I think that we have the momentum to push through it. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. But I think that if we could clear 130, we're going to go to 170. And 170 is the next level that I really do believe is the make or break time to go to all-time highs. 170 is even bigger than 130 has been for last year. We've rejected there so many times. And honestly, that's all I want to see. I don't know how long it'll take. I don't know if we'll be there next week or in a couple days. But at this rate, we've gone up 30 cents. We do another day, we're there. But these are levels that you need to pay attention to. We have so much coming here soon. And I really do stand on 10 toes telling you guys that we are going to all-time highs. It's kind of ironic that yesterday Ripple was in the White House, and then 589 days ago, Ripple was in the White House. And what were they doing? Well, they were talking to Donald Trump. They were meeting with Donald Trump. And I don't know if you guys remember the last time that Ripple had a picture with Donald Trump. We went to all-time highs like a fucking monster after that. So what will happen this time? I don't know, but I like it. And I'm really, honestly, I'm super bullish right now. And I think that we are genuinely just getting started with this stuff. So yeah, it's been a very sad few months in crypto. Everybody's been very down and just, everything's just cooked. Crypto's done. And I've been sitting here telling you guys, if you're on Market Mirror, you can see that the whales are buying. You can see all the liquidations are to the upside. Like, what are you doing? And I was right. And as long as we continue this momentum, I really do believe that we're going to push through 130, hopefully. And that might be a big maybe, but we're right here right now. So I guess we'll find out in the next couple of days. But yeah, that's the plan. Break 130, we're going to 170. If not, we might go to those lower levels again, 110, 120, you get it. But yeah, I'm honestly very bullish, and I just want to pop in here, make this quick video because, guys, now is the time of waiting for a fucking year. Literally a year, bro. October last year was when the bull market ended, okay? And we're literally damn near in October, and I couldn't think of a better time to ramp up the engines. Dude, S&P 500, everything else is at all-time highs. Right now, we need the same thing for crypto. So let me know what you think. Are we at the bottom? Are we going even lower? What is your honest opinion? I don't know. Well, some people are saying this is a relief rally. Some people are saying that we're going to all-time highs. I'm seeing opinions all over the place. So I want to hear from you. And if you want all of our plays automated, then be on the Instagram. Anytime we buy or sell anything on our accounts, it's done in your accounts, and you never have to trade again, and you'll never miss a play. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon. Things are about to get crazy.